Seated forward bend pose or Paschimottanasana. The Sanskrit word Paschimottanasana comes in three words. Paschim means west, Uttana means stretched out, and asana, pose. The word Paschim doesn't mean the west side, rather it suggested the back of the body. The front body is known as the east. Hence, a position in which the back of the body or spine is stretched out is called Paschimottanasana. The forward bend involves whole systems in your body, along with very beneficial for growing kids to improve their height. Those people who are bearing from high blood pressure or diabetes get good health benefits from Paschimottanasana. Begin in Dandasana with your legs straight in front of your body. Press your palms or fingertips into the floor beside your hips. Inhale, bring your arms straight out to the front and up over your head, reaching toward the ceiling. As you inhale again, draw your spine up long. As you exhale, begin to come forward, hinging at your hips. Imagine your pelvis as a bowl of water that is tipping forward. On each exhalation, deepen into your forward bend. Imagine your belly coming to rest on your thighs rather than your nose coming to your knees. This will help you keep your spine long. Keep your neck as the natural extension of the spine, neither cranking it to look up nor letting it go completely. When you have come to your full extension with the spine long, take hold of your shins or ankles or your toe lock, whichever you can reach. With each inhalation, lift and lengthen your front torso just slightly. With each exhalation, release a little more fully into the forward bend. Bend your elbows out to the sides and lift them away from the floor. Gently pull the big toes towards your head. Actively press your heels forward. Turn the top thighs in slightly and press them down into the floor. Exhale. Engage your abdominals. This gives you a deeper forward bend. In the final position, your abdominals are resting on top of your thighs and your face on the shins. Stay in a pose for 1 minute and breathe slowly. To come up, inhale, release your feet and lift your torso by pulling your tailbone down and into the pelvis. Place your hands on the ground, back to Dandasana.